Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be washing the full front of my adventure van just to get it ready and prepped because we will be PPFing the full front. For those that do not know what PPF is paint protection film. It is a clear cover, clear bra they call it, that we place on top of the vehicle to protect your original paint from being scratched and chipped from rock chips. Been driving it for some time. We haven't had time to, PPF the front and stuff, so there are a few rock chips, so let me show you that right now. And this is the prime example of why you want to get your PPF job done. So this is the full front of my vehicle, my adventure van. It's super dirty because we've been taking it out fishing and such. Like I said, we've been busy, so we haven't had the time to install PPF, but we do have one rock chip. This is prime example of why you guys should have your paint protection film PPF installed as soon as possible. I was drying down the van. I found one rock chip here. Obviously this big one that I showed you guys. I found some more. I think this was a little, very minor one. And I found a really big one on the fender. I am gonna attempt to put on a door cup on the back door, so watch me master it.
Boss ass bitch. Boss. Boss ass bitch. Boss. Boss ass bitch. Boss ass bitch. Boss. Boss ass bitch.
Cool, so now when we open doors, my nails won't scratch up the paint. Also rings too. A lot of rings come in here and scratch this whole side up. So that's why we put door cups in there to protect all that we can. Wow. My installation is flawless. Okay guys, this is the finished look. So we put paint protection film on the full front, which means the hood, the bumper, the full front bumper, headlights. We did the full fender. We also did the A-pillars, and we did door cups for all of the doors. It looks really good, babe. Good job. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching our paint protection film installation. If you or anyone you know wants to install any paint protection film on your vehicle or their vehicle, let us know. We'll definitely hook you up. You guys can email us, reach out on social media or whatever it is, you know, we'll definitely hook you up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all of your support. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.